Hey Sydney, here's your booster, the one that's been giving us so much trouble, and I certainly am sorry for all the problems we have been having with it, but I think we might have snuck up on it and conquered it this time. Now, I appreciate you sending me this diaphragm to go in there, but unfortunately it's not the diaphragm that goes in the booster, and the reason is, you can see the size of the hole right here that has got to go at where the shaft, the vacuum shaft, fits. This obviously is not the same size hole, and I was not going to go drilling on your new diaphragm. Anyway, I got, as I told you, I was able to get two new ones, and here's the second of the new ones, and I installed it. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do the test that you guys do at the shop, which is with the vacuum. Alright, so you see my vacuum has a slight drop. It's not holding vacuum internally. I mean, not 100%, so it's got a slight drop. So we take that into consideration as we pump here. Alright, so my hand's about to collapse. You can see we have almost 20 inches, and there we have our slight drop, but it does hold for a second or two. So that's not too bad. Alright, now then, we're going to go over to the booster testing machine. And we're going to do this all real time. First things first, we're going to check our own vacuum test equipment here. Alright, now we're just going to simply test my vacuum hose. And you can see the gauge goes up to 22 inches, and I turn it off and immediately drops. So I've got a leak in my system, but if we stick it on your booster, so we got that on your booster now. Here we are. Stuck on the wrong port. Damn it. There we go. Can't believe I stuck on the wrong port. Oh, so nervous. Okay. For some reason, the vacuum drop is just a little bit less, as you can tell, hooked up to the booster. So the booster is holding vacuum. Now let's test it as a booster. booster. Now, let's go up here to our gauges. Alright, according to all my tests, that booster holds pressure, or holds vacuum and pressure. I forgot to hook up one other test. Got to hook up this test port. I'm hooking up the test port on the end of the booster here. Alright, so now we got both gauges functioning. Alright, now then, as I explained earlier, as this one maintains vacuum, this one will go to 0 the more the booster is engaged. Alright, fully engaged booster. We got full pressure on the gauges over here. Maxed out here. Up to 900 there. Recycle. Let's get you close up here where you see what's going on. Alright. Full pressure here, 350. Input, output, almost 900 psi. Now we will do our gauges again. Get this in focus for you. There we go, fully engaged. Full pressurization. Back to vacuum. Alright. According to all my tests, this booster works. And I'm donating my horribly expensive new diaphragm in there and returning your incorrect diaphragm, and hoping that this takes care of this booster for both of us. Thank you very much.